Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hey Abdul, what's up?
Hello Rahman, don't you know that today we are celebrating Independence Day?
Yes, I know that. It is very good that they are not giving holiday. Why they are wasting more time in celebrating day?
It's not at all mean, but they are trying to build patriotism in our students for knowing the value of our country's independence.
What's all that stuff? It doesn't fit in my mind.
Did you ever wish to become slave for a nation?
I will never be a slave to anyone. Instead, I will resist the people who want me to become a slave.
During the British ruling period, Muslims were treated badly than slaves. If we would not fight, we will be as there till now.
Yes, you are right. Now I understood that remembering the sacrifice fighters is important.
Not only remembering them, but it reminds us which right we were to agreed by government.
Our national song and national flag are building patriotism in me. I will never forget their sacrifice for us. They inspire us a lot. How did we came into be Pakistan?
After many efforts and struggle, our predecessors succeed in mission. 1,000 of Muslims were martyred and sacrificed in this strike. As a result of it, we are breathing in Islamic State.
Why the Muslim demand a separate country?
Our leaders like Allama Iqbal emphasized, if we don't demand a separate country, the Hindu will rule our Muslim as the Muslim ruled our Hindu 1,000 years. Now they want to take revenge.
What said or Qaid about being of Pakistan?
Quaid-e-Azam said, Pakistan came into being when the first Hindus stepped on the subcontinent as a Muslim, and Pakistan order of Allah and Allah's command must be fulfilled.
Thanks for telling me the importance of this day.
May Allah God bless you.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Let you meet you too.